Okay, so let's do a little bit of Tinkercad training. You can always go to tinkercad.com, but I would actually recommend that you use the catalog to download the Tinkercad app. You can see it in the middle of my screen on the bottom row. It's just going to save some space on your computer. So when you log in, you're going to create a personal account. If you already have, you'll just hit sign in with Google using your Ridgewood account. Be patient. All right, so I just want to point out that Tinkercad is really cool. If you accidentally click over here on the left to circuits, you can't do circuits on an iPad. There's actually coding, and there's different lessons. We're going to focus on 3D designs, okay? And on the top, you'll see classes, gallery, blog, learn, teach. You're going to click on learn, and that's going to preview about 7 different lessons. If I say see all starters at the bottom, these are just basic lessons that are going to help you understand how to navigate the Tinkercad app. So there's about 7 of them. We're going to do the first 4 in the first video and the last 3 in the second video. So right now we're going to do place it, view it, move it, and rotate it. So let's click on place it. Okay, I'm going to hit reset because I've already done this, and Tinkercad knows it. When you go in, it won't say you've done it, so your screen will look like this. So on the left side, it's actually telling you exactly what to do, saying you can add shapes to the work planes, and it gives you step-by-step instructions, right? 1 through 5 right there. And it's basically saying, hey, drag this box over from the right-hand side onto the work plane. Notice on the right-hand side we've got shapes, but if you hit the drop-down menu, there's lots of other things. You can get text and numbers, you can get characters, all kinds of cool stuff. But for now, we're going to stick with basic shapes. So if you just grab that box with your finger, hold down, and drag, you can drag it right to the orange square, and hit next, and super duper celebration. Great job. Awesome. So we'll hit done on the left hand side, and then we'll hit continue, the next blue button, to go on to the next lesson. So the next lesson is view it. Okay, much like Autodesk Inventor, Tinkercad comes with a view cube. You can see right now it says top and front. If you click on any corner, right, I get an isometric view. I can click on the word front and get the front view. I can click on the top of the cube and get the top view. Click on the word top, right? You can also put your finger near the cube and drag it around. You can flip the cube, kind of spin it to get a view from different angles. But what's really cool is that, getting that one of the orthographic views or the isometric. So the view cube is just like the view cube in Inventor, except you're just using your finger to rotate, which might even be a little bit easier. All right, now for zooming, right, the next set of instructions talks about zooming. You want to use 2 fingers on the iPad, probably your thumb and your forefinger, and you separate your fingers to zoom in, all right? We can rotate a little bit, and then you pinch your fingers to zoom out. So zooming is really good for getting detail and seeing what's going on your shape. All right, you can't even tell the word top is raised up until you really zoom in. Cool. And what else? I think that's about it right now. So we've rotated to look from different views, and we can hit done. On to the next lesson called Move It. All right, we're already celebrating. Let's reset. Okay, in the move it activity, it says, what are we going to do? It says drag each of the boxes to the corner. No big deal. Just put your hand on it. Now I can't see where this one's going, so I need to pinch and zoom out a little bit. Whoa. Now if you noticed right there, I actually just changed the size of my shape accidentally. What I did was I put my finger on one of the white dots. Okay? If you click on the shape, you get a bunch of white dots, and that helps you change the size of the shape. Didn't actually want to do that. All right? So try to grab the shape by clicking on the color and just holding down and dragging, but don't actually click once. If you click just once, you get all those different little white dots and black dots. We don't want that, so just hold down and drag. Okay, hit next. We're good to go. So again, hold and drag, don't tap it. All right, one more lesson.